In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an MP3 audio file to an Instagram message in ManyChat. This is a quick and useful setup if you want to make your Instagram automation feel more personal and engaging. Adding audio can be a great way to share a voice message, deliver instructions, or create a more human experience inside your flow. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do so you can get it set up smoothly. Start by opening your flow in the ManyChat builder. Make sure you're in the correct flow before making any edits, especially if you manage multiple automations. Taking a moment to confirm that you're in the right place can help you avoid changing the wrong sequence by mistake. Once your flow is open, add an Instagram message block. This is the block you'll use to send the audio through your Instagram automation. After placing the block into your flow, click into it so you can edit the message content. You should now be inside the message editor where different content types can be added. From there, click audio. This tells ManyChat that instead of sending only text or other media, you want this message to include an audio file. If you're preparing content ahead of time, it's a good idea to make sure your file is already saved in MP3 format before this step, since that's the file type you'll be uploading here. Now drag and drop your MP3 file directly into the audio element. You can also take a second to confirm that the correct file has been uploaded successfully before moving on. This is especially helpful if you have multiple versions of the same recording, such as edits with different lengths or updated voiceovers. After the file is in place, save the flow. This final step is important because it ensures your changes are stored and ready to be used in your automation. If you leave without saving, your audio upload may not be applied to the flow. And that's it. Once saved, your Instagram message block will include the MP3 audio file you uploaded. This is a simple way to make your ManyChat flow more dynamic and interactive without adding extra complexity. If you're building a smoother user experience, audio can be a strong addition when used clearly and intentionally.